心跳都变，小情歌都美得我们甜，咖啡是加菲的甜甜圈，咖啡和快乐换了你选。Let's have it again，对青涩多一颗心。
Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about some common product you can find in a supermarket. Let's start. White food product.
的附加世界永远不空缺，当爱
Margarine, milk, fried rice seasoning, jelly slip, flavoring, pepper powder, biscuit, snack.
不能只是玻璃，是面都是默契。
And now, let's look at some non-food product. Hair styling cream, face and body cream, perfume, body and hair wash, hair lotion, detergent, shampoo, body lotion, toothpaste, eucalyptus oil.
说起浪漫不说，你可爱的就握我的手。